Welcome back to another episode of Rose and Gold. My name is Dr. Ross, and IK is in the house today.
International King, global, as you know.
Let's get straight into these hot topics for today.
Our first hot topic is with the Bourne Identity director, and he's unsure how to feel about James Bond copying his film.
That's life. You have to face the facts and realize that things happen and people copy other ideas. Everything is copied from another idea. You probably copied Bourne Identity from another person down the street. So let's get into the next hot topic, International King.
Caitlyn Jenner opens up about her close relationship with daughter Kylie. She's an open book.
You know what it is, International King? She's close to the money, and the money folds, and the paper smells nice. That's what she's close to. Let's get into the next hot topic.
It is Betty White's 99th birthday.
Well, Betty, the only thing we have to say to you is 99 years old, get in the strip club right now, and blow out some candles, but don't eat too much cake. That's from Dr. Ross.
Garcelle Boyevaz stuns in a blue leopard print top and ripped jeans, and I'm sorry if I mispronounced the name.
It seems like she's keeping the seat warm on the reel. We saw you recently, having a few breaks, getting scandalous in the tight jeans. Enjoy yourself. Into the next topic.
Denzel Washington tears up over sweet praise from son John David. I'm speechless.
We saw your movie in Tenet, your son. It was an okay role, but for Denzel, we see you play keep doing you, keep enjoying your life, and we would like to be in your next movie or make a movie with you because we're hungry and we're ready.
Exactly.
On to our next topic.
Ellen DeGeneres wants to show appreciation for her staff after toxic workplace scandal.
I think Ellen needs to go home. Ellen needs to relax, enjoy her wife, that they've been getting divorced, having a little bit of issues, but just go home, enjoy yourself, instead of doing all these game shows like the Game of Games and all this. So, next topic.
Little House on the Prairie, how much Michael Landon rewarded Melissa Gilbert for her loyalty.
Boring. Next topic.
Travis Scott's McNugget pillow is a versus expectation versus reality.
If Travis Scott doesn't go home and stop playing around at the McDonald's, not only have we seen him with this McNuggets, but we saw him with the Happy Meal. It's a thumbs down for us. Thumbs down.
You need to be enjoying some Chateau Oblique.
Exactly. I recently heard that one of the coaches, one of the football teams, was crying around asking for a reward for his missing boombox. You need to grow up. You have enough money to buy yourself another boombox.
Thumbs down.
Exactly.
Lady Gaga's makeup brand deletes triggering eyeliner ad.
It shouldn't be offensive to your followers. If they don't like what they see, maybe unfollow Lady Gaga and keep going on with your day. You don't have to get triggered over her makeup line.
Exactly. Billie Lourd once referred to her mom, Carrie Fisher's ex-lover, Harrison Ford, as her quote-unquote daddy. Sounds odd.
Yes, it sounds like your daughter's just trying to get scandalous with all of your ex-lovers. You need to sit your daughter in place and tell her maybe hold on with all the extra things.
Mike Tyson now has a food truck series called Food Truck Diaries.
Mike Tyson is doing everything. He is really out here. First he was doing the fight, and now he's doing the talk show, and then now he's doing food trucks. We're not hating on you. It seems like you're turning into Master P, but we're not hating on the game.
Vin Diesel reveals why F9 decided to make that fun change for one character.
I know they're trying to hint at The Rock, saying that the Fast and the Furious and why they changed it. You changed it because there was a feud between the new upcoming movie that he had and the past one, the Hobbs and Shaw, and International King and I spoke on that last Rose and Gold, so you guys have to go check that out and see our episode and our thoughts on that.
Oh my god.
You see them both light up? That's unreal.
You'll always be my brother.
Exactly. Gabrielle Union shares romantic video on Dwayne Wade's birthday.
Keep enjoying his thing. It's the same thing for Betty White. Head over to the script club and shake some and throw some money out there. Let's get into our next and our final hot topic because we have to give honor to the late King, Dr. King.
Madison Rain on why she's retiring from pro wrestling.
Maybe because she doesn't want to get beat up anymore. She needs to sit down, enjoy the money that she got from the wrestling, and spend it on herself. Spend it on yourself. Just like Black China, recently International King and I have seen all the allegations about her new face change. I like it. I really do. She looks different. She looks beautiful. So go spend that money on yourself. But let's close it off, International King. We do want to give tribute to the firefighters, police officers, teachers, doctors, lawyers, first responders, friends and family, just doing the best that they can for the coronavirus at this time and making America a better place, a safer place. And of course, we're going to mention Mr. Dr. King because it's his birthday today. It's Martin Luther King Day. And we do want to say what he said once, and it's changed us as people, as a nation. Don't judge a book by the cover, but judge it by the content of its character. And we stand by that. Let's close it off, International King.
Powerful words indeed. But for Kylie Jenner, that's for you, baby. Playboy International, the Golden Rose. One of a kind.